So, as you can see, we removed the clutch pedal, and the reason for that is when running a twin disc, you need a pedal stop installed so you can adjust how far the slave cylinder pushes the fingers on the pressure plate. You don't want to overextend the fingers because you can cause permanent damages to the clutch. So we're gonna try to modify this pedal. This is the clutch fork stopper for Mitsubishi, like Evos, like the older Evos. I was thinking something like this, to like put it on the back of this old stopper right here and just like bolt it to the pedal. Alright, you guys can see we somewhat got it installed, modified it quite a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Loctite on this nut, just because I don't want this whole assembly coming loose. Okay, it's properly installed. I think it turned out pretty good. Worst case, if this is too long, I can always trim this piece shorter because the whole thing is threaded all the way through, and I can just move the nut back more, or just get like a shorter bolt. So pretty happy with that.